Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and you're getting an E7.1 error on your washing machine and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. And if you're getting this error, you might also notice that the washing machine is full of water. And the reason is because that's what this error is. This error is a drain error. So basically when it's time to drain, the washing machine tries to drain, and if after a certain amount of time it hasn't drained, it will give you this error. So there's two main things you need to check to try to get this water draining. So one is if you come in behind, you want to come in behind your washing machine and find the drain hose. And you want to make sure that drain hose is not pinched or kinked or bent in any way. Like for example, if you push the washing machine up too hard against the wall, you might catch and pinch that hose, and then the water can't get out, and then it's gonna be full of water, and you're gonna get this error. By the same token, the pump pumps the water from the bottom of the washing machine up through the hose and out into the drain. And so if you're using any kind of an extension on that hose, the pump might not be strong enough to pump that to that height. So you want to check and make sure you're not using any extension. You want to make sure that the hose, where it goes into the drain, that air can get around it, that it's not too far down in there or anything like that. And then the second thing to check is that there might be a problem with the pump itself not being able to pump the water out. And so depending on your model, pumps are in different spots, but they're always at the bottom. And all you would do, like for this one, you would just unscrew there, and the pumps are right in there. You can see it, the turbines, how they spin. And you just want to make sure there's nothing in there jamming that up from spinning. Like sometimes a button can come off your clothing or something like that, get sucked in, and then your washing machine won't drain. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.